Ming-Chi Kuo just dropped the report. The next-gen Apple TV 4K is finally happening. We have a confirmed release window, and after 2 years of waiting, Apple is going all in on gaming, AI, and raw power. If you've been holding off on an upgrade, you're going to want to hear this. What's up, guys? We've been waiting a long time for this refresh. Today, we're breaking down the official release date leak, the final spec list, and the 3 massive upgrades that set this apart from any streaming box on the market. From a new chip to the storage bump, let's see if this is finally the ultimate living room hub. Let's talk sources. Ming-Chi Kuo, one of the most reliable Apple analysts in the game, has just pinpointed a launch window, late September, October 2026. Why trust this? Because it aligns perfectly with Apple's spring hardware cycle and the mass production timelines for the new chip. Apple wants this out before the summer gaming season, and the pieces finally line up. Here's what's under the hood. A18 Pro chip. This is the same silicon we see in the latest flagships. We're talking hardware-accelerated ray tracing for Apple Arcade, meaning console-quality gaming on your TV. Wi-Fi 7. Instant streaming, zero buffering, and a seamless connection for your smart home. 8K support. Yes, it's finally here. Future-proofing your living room for the next 5 years. Storage and remote. We're starting at 128 gigabytes of base storage, and the new Siri remote, it's getting a major Find My integration boost. Design-wise, it's smaller. Think of it as a puck that disappears into your setup, with a redesigned thermal system to keep that A18 Pro cool during long gaming sessions. And the price? Leaks suggest $129 for the 128 gigabytes and $149 for the 256 gigabytes model. Compared to the NVIDIA Shield, which is aging fast, Apple is positioning this as a premium, yet accessible, entertainment powerhouse. Is this just a spec bump? No, this is about Apple intelligence. Imagine your Apple TV acting as a true AI home hub, summarizing shows, contextually managing your smart lights, and adapting your UI based on your viewing habits. If you're coming from a 2022 model, the gaming performance and AI integration make this a massive leap, not just a sidestep. So, the big question, should you wait for March? If you're currently using the 2022 version, you're fine for now. Hold your wallet. But if you're using an older HD model, or you're ready to get into cloud-based gaming, absolutely, wait for March. If you need something today, find a 2022 model on sale, but don't pay full price. What feature are you hoping for most? Is it the 8K support, or do you just want a remote that stops getting lost? Comment below. Hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple leaks, and I'll see you in the next one.